Accrual-based accounting. Accrual-based accounting is the basic or standard accounting method that matches revenues to expenses at the time the transaction occurs rather than when payment is made. Why accrual basis is a GAAP? Accrual basis is a GAAP because it can provide a better picture of a company's financial condition, and it gives a more accurate picturing by allowing cash inflows and outflows to be combined with future cash flows. The requirements of GAAP requires that revenue and expenses be matched to when the activity happens, also known as the matching principle and revenue recognition. This is important because revenue recognition means you record the revenue when you've done the work and earned it, and not when you receive the cash. And the matching principle states that you need to record expenses to earn that revenue in the same period as when you've earned it. Accrual basis versus cash basis. For example, on accrual basis, if you built a widget for a company in June but got paid in July, you would record revenue in June and also record the expenses related to the widget in June. This gives a better picture of how the business is performing instead of recording it when you've received the cash. Which on a cash basis, you would show expenses in June and revenue in July, which doesn't paint a good picture of how the business is performing. By using accrual basis, investors, bankers, and the owners have a better sense of how the business is performing. For example, let's say that you make music videos for celebrities and singers. You run your business on an accrual basis. You record an awesome new video for Taylor Swift in June, which costs $5,000 to make. After seeing how successful it was, Taylor Swift pays you $10,000 for the video 2 months later in August. On accrual basis, you record the $10,000 revenue in June and the $5,000 expense to make the video. This way, you can see how much money you've made from the video. This is a better picture of how the business is performing. If you operated on a cash basis, you would show $5,000 expenses for making the video in June and no revenue until August. By using the accrual basis, investors, bankers, and the owner have a better sense of how the business is performing.